Hi, welcome back everyone, where we are testing, you guessed it, every single mask on Amazon. And today we are testing, once again, the Comix mask. I think, unless I'm going senile. Some other form of dementia, totally possible. Let's put it in the clamper. I don't even remember how this works anymore. Clamp cam. Let's go clamp cam. This is a black mask. I believe the last one we tested was also black. I can feel it. Look at that. Perfecto. I don't think that's a language. Letting her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. If you want to find out more about what that means, check out that link. And I know no one does, no one cares, because I've only seen 254 views. No one's looked at that link. I put it every time. All right, let's talk about Comix. We saw Comix before, I'm pretty sure.
That fits perfectly in the boot.
I don't remember how well it did. I remember it had a big old box or something weird. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, that's right. This one has like little packs of 5, it looks like. And it's a black with a gray back, which is kind of weird. Great construction though. Look at how like even that is. That's really nice. It just looks really nice. It's very strong. Interesting to see what the ear loops do. I do 5 out of 10 probably. Oh no, that's horrible. Let's do the face test. Ow! Ah, karma! That really hurt. I think I'm actually crying. There's a tear there for sure. There's 100% a tear there. That hurt. Don't try this at home. All right, let's put on a huge ear loop. I would give it probably about 5 out of 10 on that. Let's do the smell. Man. Okay. I am calling this the inside of a well-used paper shredder. Yeah, because it's like, I'm getting some paper smells here for some reason, which is weird because of the plastic. Although this plastic doesn't like typically block a lot of smell. It's not a barrier protectant. And but it's also a plasticky smell too. So it's kind of like the bin of the paper shredder plus the remnants of the paper that have been shredded. Okay, but does that matter if it doesn't protect you? Let's check it out. They're not making any claims, although I will say my boy Brent Maxey here says it's the best mask. So Brent, you're not 100% wrong. It's not the best mask we've tested, but it's really high up there. Good job, Comix. 97.575. 97.575. That's a pretty good mask. All right, I give it to him. All right, thank you guys very much for watching this. I hope that you weren't as bothered by my collar slipping out as I am now that I'm just noticing it. And I hope you enjoyed this. I mean, why not? That's what we're here on this earth for, right? It's to enjoy things. So give me a like or a subscribe. Or if you hated this, you can write my manager a strongly worded letter. And I guess that would be to me, because I guess I'm the manager. Holy crap, this is all my fault. All right, I will catch you on the next test while I figure out my life. Thank you very much.